previous tutorial we saw the lecture of split body and we split a single body in 2 or 3 parts. Today we will see delete body command. How to delete any one of body from these 3 parts. So go to insert, feature, and then in the down there is a one delete body command. Just select delete body. A delete body window will appear. You can just select any one body. Let's say this one. Select OK. See, it is deleted. Even you can delete any part. Insert, feature, again choose delete body, and let's select this partition. Select OK. So see, it is deleted. We deleted 2 parts of our body. So this is the delete body command. First you have to split the body in 1 or 2 number of parts, then you can delete.